Luminati Film has a non-slip texture, so they're fast and easy to apply, saving me time, which means money, in the salon. So this is one of the ways you can do it, is with looping. So that's where you're just folding it over top of itself and creating a looping effect. The second is a pinching. So when I fold it up, I go right in through the middle and just create a bit of a pinch so that it lays a little bit flatter within the hair. And the third way is to do it with a layering. So you're using a separate sheet directly over top of the existing one. This is it demonstrated in the exact same way with the opaque film. And you can see I've done the looping, so there's air left in between. I've done it where I've pinched it in the middle and it lays flat. And then I've done a layering technique as well, where I have laid a separate piece of film directly over top of it. The color adheres really beautifully to it, so you can see, you know, I can move it around and I'm not really getting any slip within the hair. So here I've demonstrated how you can apply your Luminati clear film and your Luminati opaque film. Tag @Luminati Film and show us how you use yours. Luminati, where color masters play.